Bongeng, he's got my controller, and I need to run to catch him because I think it's done hyperlapsing, and I don't want it to hovering on top of this river. You know, there's the things between me and water, especially flying drones. It's just that I have to be a bit more extra careful, you know.
Đạn này bán đi Giang.
Hi, good morning. It's 5:45 a.m. in the morning, and I'm at this bridge at Steung Treng Province, the one that goes all the way to Laos countries. We're here on a mission not to grab coffee, but to catch the sunrise, and we're gonna fly some drone and stuff like that. So we'll see you now. I'm gonna go to the side of the road because I'm literally standing in the middle of it, and so see ya. Mission accomplished. Yeah. I also have to run because there's a big bus coming right away. This bridge is definitely longer. This is where we came in last night. You know, if you look at it from this direction, I think that's Laos country. It's actually that close, you know. So the view is quite better from this side, I have to say. And yeah, but if you really want to witness the sunrise, the other place is also better. But this is more like, you know, you can see the island, you can see from this standpoint, you could actually see the entire city. So I had quite an amazing time this morning trying to capture the sunrise, and I have to say that with all the weather speculations that I saw last night about, there might be very poor conditions, it might be rain, stuff like that, but it turned out to be quite almost perfect. That's it for today, folks, and the missions to chase the sunrise accomplished. And probably before heading back to the hotel, we're gonna stop by to grab coffee. So so psyched for coffee, man. See ya.